Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to configure multiple Odoo instances in PyCharm. So currently you can see that for the time being we can only use one instance, but we can also just make use of multiple instances in the PyCharm. So currently you can see that I just want to run the Odoo 19 and we'll be running it over here. And as we just move on to here and when we just refresh this, you can see that we'll be getting the Odoo 19 by setting the port number either through the local host with the port number or by moving on to the the running on platform. So if you don't know the running platform, you can just get it over here. You can see that you would be able to find a way in which you can just use to get the instance. So currently we are in Odoo 19 instance and I just want to create another Odoo 19 instance with another port number. So to manage with it, I'll be creating a directory over here. Okay, first we have to create a directory. Let's say conf is the directory name and let's click on enter. Now we just need to copy all the parameters that comes inside the Odoo conf. So you would be able to see that we have the Odoo conf file over here. So let me copy this, okay? Or you can manually create a file with the name that you just want to set and we can just move on to the conf file. So let me click on the right button of the conf file or you can directly paste it over here. Okay, so as I just click on paste over here, you can see that we just need to rename the conf file. So here I'll be setting it as Odoo 19 new instance or simply new. Okay, afterwards I'll be clicking on OK. So you can see that we have the Odoo 19 conf file over here and we'll be setting the admin password, localhost, everything will be same. And I just want to use the same user as well as a password. And I just want to change the port number over here. So I'll be changing the port number into Odoo 20 because if you're just giving the same port number as that of the Odoo.conf, you will be getting a warning or an error that's showing that this port number is already in use with another user. Okay, so we'll be changing the port number over here. And in case of the add-ons path, in the Odoo.conf, I'll be only setting the add-ons module, the add-ons, which means a community module. Now over here, I'll be adding another module. Okay. So here we have the custom add-ons. You can just get a particular module from here, or you can just move on to the custom add-ons from here and add the education university and everything. So let me just copy the path of the custom add-ons. Use Control-Shift-C in order to get the absolute path, and let's paste it over here. So once it's done, now we just need to add the configuration file. In order to add the configuration file, you can see that we have the edit configuration, right? So under the edit configuration, we have Odoo instance, one of the Odoo instance. Like this, we just need to manage with the new creating Odoo instance. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be choosing the plus button. So from the plus button, you can see we have to choose Python over here and we'll be getting the option to add the configuration. So I'll be setting the Odoo instance over here as Odoo 19 new. Okay, and we'll be using everything as same over here with the same interpreter Python 3.12. Now we just need to provide the script. So under the script, we have to first use the Odoo bin file over here. Okay, so here you can see that we have the Odoo bin. I'll be adding the Odoo bin under this, and afterwards we just need to add the script parameter. Okay, so in this case, we know the script parameter is -c, and you need to specify the name of your conf file. So in this case, as you just drag down, you can see that Odoo 19 new.conf is the conf file name. So Odoo 19 new.conf. Either you can just provide like this or you can just provide the entire path over here. Now we are working with the directory of Odoo 19. So I'll be choosing that directory and let me add the directory over here. Rest of all the details will be same as that of the Odoo 19. Okay, Odoo 19 instance. So as you just move on to the Odoo 19 instance, you can see everything is same and only the script parameter not the script parameter. This will be change in the script parameter with the odoo.conf file. Okay, so once it's done, you can just click on apply, and you can click on run. Okay, and you can see that here something is getting wrong, and we just need to work with it. Okay, so currently you can see that as you just move on here, we are currently in Odoo 19, and we can just manage the we can just get into here by providing the password. So first I'll be getting to the one that is using the Odoo 19 instance, and when you just move on to the developer mode, yeah, let's move on to the developer mode, and let's see the name of the module, that is demo. Okay, now in next case I'll be moving on to my PyCharm, and here we need to get the use this instance. Okay, so I'll be running this instance. So here you can see that we are just getting something issue with Odoo bin add-ons path server option. So we have to set everything Odoo bin path server error in the new conf. So let's analyze the issue that we are getting, and we are unable to process with this. To fix this issue, we just need to get the absolute path of the new conf file. So I'll be choosing Control Shift C in order to get the absolute path, and let's move on to edit configuration. So from the edit configuration, you can see that we can just set the path, and let me paste it over here. Now let me click on apply, and let's click on run. So here you can see that now everything is working, and you can just move on to the browser. So as you just move on to the browser, you can see that we just need to open a new uh, tab over here. So I'll be searching for local host 8020. So here you can see that we'll be getting over here, and we have the custom module. So let's see whether it's been installed or not. So as you just search for university over here, you can see that let's search the module is university. It's not showing over here, so let me update the app list. And once it's done, you can see that it will be available over here. Now here you can see that we have got the custom modules, and you can see that currently we have different instance, and both is using the same database with same user, and you can see one is having the custom modules with the community, and the other is only having the community module. So when you just search for the module here, you can see currently it's available but not activated, but you are using different instances. Okay, and you can see as you just move on to here, you would be able to see that we are using the port number localhost 8019, and in the other instance we are using the port number localhost 8029. So that's how we manage with the multiple instance in uh, Odoo using PyCharm. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys, and thank you for watching the video.